Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can sync your attachment files using Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. With this extension, you can sync CRM attachments into the OneDrive record folder. If I go to the Attachments section and upload a file here, I can select the file and click Attach. Now I have one file in the Attachments section. Next, I will go to the Settings option inside the OneDrive widget. Here, you can see the Sync Attachments option. If I click on Sync Attachments, the extension will upload the attachment file into this OneDrive folder. Now, if we go to OneDrive and reload this folder, you can see that my attachment file has been uploaded automatically to the record folder. This is another amazing feature of the extension. You can manage folders and files from your CRM, so you do not have to go to OneDrive again and again.